Daily Dose of Two reviews here with a more proper review on the rotary hammer from Harbor Freight's Bauer. And you guys will see it in action, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end. Alright, that was the drill mode. I'm going to try the drill hammer mode now. Let me clear this out. Here we go. The difference on the drill mode. A lot easier and a lot faster with the drill hammer mode than just drill mode. Okay, now we're going to try a chisel. Alright, here we go. Hammer mode. Alright, let's try a different one. See, I hope you guys did see all that. Let's see where we at. So we're going to switch out. Alright, here we go. Not too bad. We're down to one bar. Alright guys, there you have it. It did get a little warm on me, but again, I didn't have any grease to put on the bits, so that's my fault. Now, what I do think is that Harbor Freight is gonna have to come up with some 8-amp batteries or larger, so that you can use it and it'll hold out. Because through what you saw in the video, it pretty much drained the battery, so it is gonna need stronger batteries. But like I said, I was gonna give you guys a better review on this. I like it, but I still think it needs a bigger battery. Please guys, let me know what you think of it. Comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And as always, this is Daily Dose of Tool Reviews, signing out.